What's up, you guys? It's Asia, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt line. I have the entire collection, and I'm going to be testing it out from start to finish on my OC hair. So this is my hair, super dry, super in need of some love. So I'm going to start off with the shampoo and the conditioner. I'm going to use these off camera and come back and let you guys know how it works on my hair. So I just finished washing my hair with the shampoo and the conditioner. Now my first thoughts on the shampoo, it has a really thick consistency and it's very creamy and lathers up really well. I was actually able to detangle my hair without any issues with this product, and it has a nice smell. I really was surprised with how this smelled, because when I thought of the Manuka, I thought of the Manuka and honey, and I figured that it would have a similar smell, which it does. If you compare it to the other one, the scent is so much lighter. I really love that because the other one's really strong. So I like that this one was not strong like that. So once I smoothed that through my hair and rinsed it out, my hair was on and popping, the curls were there, and I followed that up with the conditioner. Now the conditioner is thick in consistency as well, but when I first put the conditioner on, it actually felt like it was just coating my hair. It didn't feel like it was going into my strands, so I definitely thought that I would not like it. But to my surprise, once I rinsed it out, my hair had slip. It was just really nice. So now I'm gonna take this out, and I have my hair in two sections, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Hydrate and Repair protein treatment. So this is what my hair is looking like so far. It feels really good. It smells good. And this is the consistency of it. So I'm gonna apply this focusing on my ends and just work it up. I feel like this would actually be a lot easier to apply on wet hair, like fully wet hair, like right after you apply the conditioner, to just put this on. But I did want to put this on camera. So when applying this, I just made sure to saturate every strand. I did that by separating the section into smaller sections and just making sure the roots and every other strand is saturated. I smoothed and then I twisted it up. That way my hair will not be too shrunken up, and I covered it with a processing cap and then I let it sit. Alright, you guys, so I've had this in for like 2.5 hours. I know it says that you're only supposed to keep it in for 10 to 15 minutes. But yeah, I went to the store and grocery shopped and did all of that. So now I'm going to go ahead and take these down, and then I'm going to rinse these bad boys out. Right now my hair, it feels pretty soft and it smells pretty good. Alright, you guys, so this is what we're working with. My hair feels really soft. So now I'm going to go rinse this out, and then I'll come back with the final results. Like, this is so bomb. My hair feels so good. The way that it made my hair feel, it was like butter. Like butter was coming out of my hair. It just, it was so smooth, you guys. I'm in love. I'm about to put in this leave-in conditioner now. I like spray leave-in conditioners, so I am excited to try this out. I like how it comes out. Like the spray covers a lot of hair, which is good. It's not very heavy at all. It's pretty light. So I have this wide tooth comb, and I'm just gonna test out combing through my hair to see how it does. Alright, dope. So I can get the comb through my hair without any issues. So it's looking good, Shea Moisture. It's looking pretty good. Alright, y'all, so I just finished detangling my hair and spraying it with the leave-in spray. And this right here, this little bit of hair, that is all that I lost through the process, using a comb and everything. This little bit of hair, girl, that is so good. Okay, now mind you, I do finger detangle as I wash, I finger detangle as I condition, I finger detangle as I rinse, I smooth my hair. If you want to see my exact wash routine, click the I button and I'll have it right here for you guys. But still, like, my hair feels so good. So now I'm gonna apply this split end balm. I'm gonna use it just as a sealant. It's really thick. It feels like honey. Oh. But I'm gonna put it on my hair anyways. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but it's like a little difficult to get out the jar. It's really thick, but surprisingly it's easy to smooth through your hair. And I'm just focusing it on my ends. Okay. Ooh, that feels good. When you first feel it on your hands, it feels like honey. I don't know. But on my hair feels so soft with it. Alright y'all, so that's the completed process. And my final thoughts are, I'm feeling this line. It's really bomb. My hair, it definitely feels soft like a pillow. I know that it's about to shrink up even more because it is so moisturized. Definitely want to hurry up before it does that because I'm about to do a protective style, but it feels so soft. This split end stuff, it reminds me of like beeswax a little bit. It's hard to kind of put into your hair, but it does feel good. My hair feels nice and happy, nice and healthy. So when my hair is super dry, this definitely is going to be my go-to. And I definitely recommend, if nothing else, try this protein treatment. It is thebomb.com. I mean, a little scary when you're putting it on at first because it feels like you're literally putting shea butter in your hair. But when you rinse that joint out, girl, your hair is going to be on and popping. Now, ingredients wise, this does have glycerin in it. Glycerin is the 8th ingredient on this product. I know that for some women, the new line from the main choice that just came out for 4C hair, many women didn't like it because they were glycerin sensitive. My hair loves glycerin. It responds extremely well to glycerin. As you can see, my hair is shrinking up and all that stuff, which means that my curls are hydrated and happy. My hair feels soft, and yeah, my hair loves glycerin. So I'm not glycerin sensitive at all. My hair actually has the reverse effect of women whose hair doesn't really like glycerin. My hair feels moisturized with glycerin. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed this review. Definitely be on the lookout for my next protective style, which I'm literally about to do right now. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.